The Garrison Forest School community is deeply committed to equity, honesty, kindness, and respect as part of the educational experience. To this end, we celebrate diversity both within our community and our curriculum, our concern for the well being of all people, seek to build the self esteem of all people, aspire to promote the understanding of all people. We recognize the dignity and worth of all individuals. To protect their rights, we confront bias, prejudice, and discrimination. Garrison Forest School does not condone any behavior which is inconsistent with these tenets. We believe that it is unacceptable for our spoken and written language and behavior to demean anyone's physical characteristics, as well as anyone's ethnic, gender, personal, racial, religious, or sexual identities. We as individuals must take responsibility for our words and deeds and respect all people. All right, so looking at what we have here, you're watching the gathering video there. Our objective for today is that you will be able to calculate the limits of multivariate functions and to prove their non-existence, which is a little bit harder, by using the definitions of a limit in order to communicate about values that are approached in a multidimensional space, right? So this is what we're dealing with. All the work here is under the practice resources. There are two sets of problems here, the limit problems and the using polars to find limits. They can be a little bit challenging, so keep in mind we will discuss these next class. But I want you to think hard about them. And if you get hung up, don't feel afraid to send an email, get a little help here, and see what we can do with them. But if you're feeling like they're challenging, they should be. Then you can watch the summary video there, and that's going to tell you about the homework for tonight, and we'll go from there. All right? So, happy Monday.